Thanks so much for joining me. I am super excited to be filming this video because I just got 3 of the brand new Magnificent Metals. I have looked all over the internet. I have wanted to review these. I've wanted to just find any and all information I can about them. And so far I've only found like 1 or 2 videos with like 1 color or 2 colors, but no videos or no like articles or blog posts about all 3 of them together. And so I thought it would be good for me to come on and show you guys the brand new colors that Stila just released for their glitter and glow. So these are not the cream eyeshadows or the shimmer and glow. These are actually new shades, not Wonderlust, not Gypsy. These are new shades that were just released on Sephora's website on Monday, and right when I saw them I picked them up. I could not miss the opportunity. I love these. They're my favorite eyeshadows. I'm so excited to be able to show you guys these because again they are brand new and I can't wait to use them. So this video is just going to be a swatches kind of first impression video, and then this weekend I'm going to be doing a tutorial with them, but I wanted to go ahead and put this video out first and then ask you guys to put in the comments below which one you want me to do a tutorial with, or which one you guys want me to kind of try out in an eye look with this weekend and post that Sunday or Monday. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it up to you guys. If there's one that like really catches your fancy, you really want to see it in a tutorial, you really want to see it in a video, then go ahead and let me know down in the comments and I will gladly do it. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and just jump right into what this video is about so I don't leave you in suspense anymore. I am so excited to be showing you these, so excited to have them in my hands. I can't wait to use them. Okay, so there are 3 new shades that came out in the Glitter and Glow line. They have the color Enchantress, Fairytale, and Perlina. And again, these are the brand new Glitter and Glow shades. So I'm just going to be swatching them for you. I've never seen them. I barely opened the box just when I got home from work. First thing I got out was my camera so I could come on and kind of do a first impression with you guys here on my channel. So these are $24 on Sephora's website, Stila's website, and Ulta's website. Right now, I did some research. The only place I found them was on Sephora's website. I did not find them on the Stila website. I did not find them on the Ulta website. I've only found like the spring limited edition ones. I didn't find any of these on the Stila website, which I thought was interesting, but they came on the What's New at Sephora little section, and so I was really excited to get my hands on them. So again, they're $24, and they are just those really great shadows that are just stunning and beautiful. I can't wait. Okay. So first color is called Enchantress, and this seems to be just a really pretty rosy pink shade. It's a very just like blush, like Barbie pink. And again, these come on the applicators that are the doe foot. I guess they're not really doe foot, they're more like a flat applicator. So let's go ahead and swatch it together and see what it looks like. First time ever applying these, you guys, or ever seeing them. Wow, that's like a true pink. Like I've never seen a more pink shadow. All right, you guys, so this is the color Enchantress. So pretty. It's really honestly like a, you know, duochrome pink. So that's really pretty. I could see a lot of different looks with this. It has a lot of gold and purple reflex, but as it dries down, it is definitely like that Barbie pink shade. Alright, you guys, so the next color is called Fairytale, and Tale is spelled T-A-I-L. So I'm assuming it's supposed to be part of that duochrome family. It is a very, very pretty shade. And this has more of like a, I don't know, like a gunmetal vibe. Okay, so this is Fairytale. So this one is a bit streaky when you apply it first off, but it's still really pretty. This has a lot of purple reflex in it. It just seems more runny than the first one. So I don't know how I feel about this one. Maybe when it dries it'll be prettier. It looks more of like a topper than anything. So that right there, I mean, it is very pretty. It's very similar to the satiny one that they have. I believe it's like Smoky Storm or something satin. I can't remember, but it looks very similar to that. So it's a very pretty like gunmetal duochrome. So the next color is Perlina, and it's super pretty. I can definitely imagine this one kind of being my favorite and the one that I would want to use in a tutorial. I mean, they're all beautiful, but this one I think is going to be my favorite. So this one is Perlina, and it's just a really pretty like silvery, it's almost like diamond dust, but more of like a silver rather than a blue-white. I was most excited for this one when I saw it on the website. Oh, it's literally like white. Okay, let's see if I can fit this here. You guys, oh my gosh. Yeah, I can definitely see myself doing a look with this one. So it definitely has more of like a blue silver undertone. That's it right there. It's not really doing any justice on camera. I think I'm going to wait for this one to dry down a little bit and kind of show you guys as it dries down, but that is stunning. So I was doing a little bit of research on some articles that were coming out about the new launches, and there was a little blurb about these, and they're said to be more of like eyeshadow toppers. But for me, I mean, all of the Stila Magnificent Metals are really pigmented and really beautiful as shadows on their own. And so I think that these are going to be in that same family. I think definitely that you can use them on their own. They're stunning. I really just love this formula. I think that it's amazing that Stila came out with such a revolutionary product, and I'm so excited to try these particular shades. I do have all of the shades of the original Glitter and Glows. I have all of the Shimmer and Glow shades, and I'm really excited to have these in my collection. It's something that I've been waiting for new Glitter and Glows, and I'm so happy that they came out with them. I love the Shimmer and Glows. I think that they're stunning as well, but I just don't think that they hold a candle to the Glitter and Glows. They're just beautiful. So that's it dried down a little bit. Let me see if I can get a good image of it. So you guys can see as it dries, it's a little more like white blue than anything. This one's kind of turning out to be my favorite. I mean, they're all really pretty. This one isn't dried down completely yet. The other two are, but I don't know, guys, those are so pretty. So I'll kind of hold these up again in order of the way that I swatched them. Whoops, wrong way. So there they are in order that they were swatched. They're so, so pretty. So again, you guys, these are $24. They are currently on Sephora's website. That is the only place I found them. I do believe that they are going to be kind of strictly Sephora or just sold on Sephora's website, which sometimes Sephora has a monopoly on products like that. So I'm really, really excited to try these. You guys, let me know again down in the comments below which one you guys want me to try, if there's one you want to see in action, which one is yours. They did a good job with the different color schemes or the different colors in general for different skin tones. I think that each person with it, I think that people with different skin tones are really going to be able to utilize these as the other ones as well. I think it was a really good move to have this more of like icy white, because they only have one other one like that, and that's Diamond Dust. So I think coming out with more of like a blue undertone in Diamond Dust, and then having more of like that icy white. I thought this one was going to be more of like a silver, but this one is definitely turning off more icy white on camera and on my hand as well. I think that that was a good move because a lot of people really love the Diamond Dust, and this will give them an opportunity to have a different shade in that same family. So that's all I have, you guys, for my first impression. I don't think this video necessarily needs a review because these have been reviewed hundreds and hundreds of times. It doesn't seem like this has any new formula. Once they dry down, they are dry, they don't come off on your finger, they're super pretty, super pigmented, and I think that they're going to be beautiful in an eye look or in a tutorial. So guys, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really do appreciate you spending some time with me tonight. And remember, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. I would really love it if you became part of the Edgy fam and just kind of joined me on this crazy YouTube journey. And also, guys, if you'd like to know when I upload videos, go ahead and hit that notification bell. I don't have a schedule quite yet. I'm working on one, so hopefully I'll have one soon. And remember, you guys, don't ever let anybody tell you that you have to be something that you don't want to be. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care.